Hello guys, my name is Roshan Nandurkar and you are watching my YouTube channel Java and Python Geek. So if you not subscribe my YouTube channel, so please click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification guys. So the next interview question, it may ask you what is the priority of any thread. Okay, what is the priority? Okay, what is the priority? Okay, what is the priority? We cannot say what is the priority of thread. Okay, what is the priority of thread? So now, or they can ask you, okay, what is mean, max and norm priority? What is the mean, max and norm priority? Okay, so priority means it is an integer number. It is an integer number. It is an integer number. We can say, okay, we can say it is an integer number. Okay, integer number which may vary. Okay, which may vary from 1 to 10. 1 to 10. And every thread, okay, and every thread, okay, starts their execution, okay, according to max priority, according to their max priority, okay. So it means to say the thread which is having the max priority, okay, that thread will start, okay, their execution first. That thread will start its execution first, guys. Okay, and the main priority, what is the main priority? Okay, now we can check with example. Okay, thread, we can say, okay, s out, okay, we can say main priority. Okay, main priority. What is the main priority? Okay, so main priority, okay, will be the, okay, main priority, thread dot main priority. Now you can see, guys, the main priority will be the 1. Main priority will be the 1. Okay, and what will be the max priority? We can check. Okay, max priority. So we can say max priority. Okay, so max priority always will be the 10. Okay, always will be the 10. And the what will be the norm priority? Okay, so JVM will create a thread for main class. Okay, so that thread priority always JVM set as a norm priority. Okay, hence by default the priority of main thread will be default will be the 5 guys. So we can change it later on. We can change it, guys. Okay, so now what is the main priority? Main priority is the 1. Max priority is the 10. Okay, max priority is the 10, and then the norm priority. Okay, norm priority. Okay, what will be the norm priority? 5 guys. Got it, guys? And every thread starts its execution, okay, according to the max priority. It means to say the thread which is having the max priority, that thread will start execution first. Okay, later on the main priority will start its execution, guys. Got it, guys? So this is the, okay, priority of thread, guys. Okay, so now if you like this video, okay, please like, share and subscribe, guys. Okay, thank you.